Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to my very first video of kitting up a diamond painting. I've watched a million of these on YouTube and I thought I just need to do one, upload it, and then I can learn from my mistakes. And there are so many different styles of what people do, so I thought I'll just do the one that I'm seeing the most common and go from there. So the diamond painting that I have today, this is Grogu. It's number A1832. It's a 30 by 40. It's from New Craft Day. I received it for free from them to do a review, so thank you so much to them. It's not too bad. It came pretty flat. I noticed that a lot of people will do the pull back and spread it out, and I've probably made that 10 times worse. Like I said, welcome to my first video. It is also like 32 degrees here today, so it is super hot. So our house is really humid as well. Do you know what? I will learn. I will learn how to do it. I'll worry about it later. Okie dokie. Alright, I think I will just put that aside for now. And I will do the drills. Okay, so I got this box from Daiso. It was $3.10 because I've been seeing these in Kmart Australia. It's a 21 box and these are like $7. And I understand that for the size that it is, it's probably not gonna fit everything all at once, so other packs are better, but I'm just keeping as frugal as possible for right now. So we're going to open this up. So it comes in the individuals there, sets of 3, all with a individual clip. And now here comes the tricky part. So I'm just gonna cut off, I think, the table that's here and then put some tape over it to stick to the top of here. I feel that's probably going to be the best thing to do. I know I run the risk of keeping that pretty small there, but I could even cut off, I think, here, so I've still got a bit of an edge here, so we might do that. Hashtag newbie. So I'm very new to diamond art. I discovered it from watching a million bazillion other people online and thought I'd love to get into that. And then pure luck would have it that I got contacted by a company that said, we'd love to send you some products. That was the 1 day savings. And I said, sure, because I'd been looking at stuff on eBay anyway. So I was probably going for a cheaper price point anyway. But now that I've been watching a million of you on YouTube, I see that cheaper is not always better. And the devil is in the detail, as they say. So for the bigger pictures that have, especially words and stuff, I'm noticing that it's better to pay a bit more money for a bigger canvas. I'm loving the Diamond Club canvases. I'm seeing a lot of people do at the moment. I just don't have the time to commit to a monthly subscription. But they look pretty cool. All right, let me do the rest of these super fast because this is boring and I don't know what to talk about because this is my first one. We'll be back. Okie dokie. So first thing off the bat, I clearly need one of those sticker machine things because I guess that's how it gets sticky on the back to stick it down, because some of these are trying to move already, which is driving me up the wall. And I know that this is going to make a fantastic, oh my gosh, what was I thinking video when I go back and look at it in a few months time. So because I've probably also shot myself in the foot not cutting the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, I'm going to review that's here, but it shouldn't be that hard. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So let's have a look. We'll start with number 1. And right, so I love the people that can literally go, oh, this is going to be 1 container or whatever it is. Spilled some already. Good job, Bob. All right. Oh, I'm so excited. My first one's filled. All right, I'm not going to bore you with the rest of it, so I will put you on time lapse and do the rest. Okay, so all kitted up, and it's taken me a hot second to see that the number that is printed here matches also that one, so didn't need to look at this. I hope this helps someone who has no idea. Apparently these numbers match with the DMC, the threads that you use for cross stitch. The last kit that I had though, the beads were just like 1 to 20. There was no additional numbers at all. So no idea if it's to do with what type of company it is, where it's made, etc, etc. So I would be curious to know if these match the threads. Maybe I should do a trip to Spotlight. Have a look. I've lost a couple of beads, and of course I have some with some left over, so I guess that's where having the bigger container would help. But I didn't want to have a couple of small ones here, then bigger containers, and then be moving between 2 boxes and figuring out what's what. I guess until I get to being a bigger diamond painter, I will figure that out then. I got this kit from eBay. Oh, sorry. I got this pen from eBay. Multi-placer tool, I believe you call it. I am brand new to all of this, so I have no idea. And oh my gosh, what is that? Oh, is that thing that you like line all the beads up with? Someone tell me down below. So I've got the, is that a double, and then a bend, and then the single, and then is that like a triple? Should we put that one in there? Yeah, apparently. All right, so we've got a triple and a double. All right, I think this is probably a bit better than the singles that they send you. All right, the next thing I think I'm going to do is I want to keep this as the clear covering. In the future, I might replace it with the kitchen paper that I've seen people do, but I want to put the washi tape down as grids, and then I can cut out each section. So I'll go ahead and do that and then come back to you. Okay, so this is how I've seen all the TikTokers do it, which probably is not the way that the YouTubers do it. Oh, what can I say? You gotta try everything at least once. Oh, brilliant. I can't even cut a straight line. Oh, I think I need a bigger chair so I can reach up and over. All right. Oh, oops, that's unstuck. That is not the color I thought that was going to be. But still, I is 819. This is pink one. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous doing this. I've probably put too much in here because I can't figure out. All the experts are probably just laughing. I hope I'm entertaining you. Oh no, how do you do this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, seriously. Oh, one's come out already. All right, is that, hang on. Oh my gosh. Get a multi-placer tool. It will be faster, they say. Oh, let's put the wax in there. Oh my gosh. Hi, my name is Crazy Lady. Okay. And then apparently you're meant to like push it in there or something. Okie dokie. So yes, I'm also up. Oh, see, this is just a pain. I'm uploading this too. So if you're watching, you can have a laugh, and you can also tell me how to do this better. Oh, I feel like this is going to take longer than the singles. Whoops. I wonder why people do the check, the cross check thing. I bought this because I literally thought it was going to be faster. I guess the more you do, the faster you get. You can tell everyone you watched a comedian on the TV. I used to wonder also when I watched the TikTok why people were like doing like this and then going back and putting in 1 or 2. I mean, I assume it's also to look good. Alright, I'm going to leave this here with you guys. I think that I need some more practice with the multi-placer tool. So any kind tips or tricks, please let me know. But I find that the diamond art community is very kind, so I'm sure that everyone will be helpful. I'm finding that with this canvas, I don't know, it just feels a little bit different than others. These just, I think because the number's so skinny, it just feels like I'm doing it wrong. So yeah, I don't know. But I guess I will learn, but I am enjoying the washi tape and just cutting out a small section and just focusing on that. I think it's definitely going to help me hone in. I realized that I didn't washi tape on the edges here, and then I flipped this upside down so I'm not leaning against the table. I can just work on it right here. So that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching my very first kit up. Oh, it was hilarious. I've learned a lot, and that was exactly the purpose of this video. And thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.